Hey, what's up guys, Anish here and welcome back to Techyy Anish, and today we are going to unbox the no hang phone. Yes, you guessed it right, today we are going to unbox the Micromax In Note. Now guys, I ordered this phone on 6th of August at 12 PM. That was the first day of this sale, and finally I got it on the 20th of August. I don't know why it took so long, maybe because I ordered a black phone and not a green one. You see, most of the videos on YouTube has green review units sent by Micromax, so maybe they didn't have enough black units, but finally I have got one. Here it is, so let's quickly unbox it. I will just open this cardboard here. And by the way guys, this time around we are also going to do a full review of this phone, not just unboxing, so definitely subscribe for that and press the notification bell icon so you get the video immediately as I post it. Okay, so opening this box here, we get this Micromax In Note. It says we are in for India, how about you? Okay, on the back of the phone it says ARM Cortex A75 octa-core processor. Doesn't mention the processor, but we will find out very soon. Then it says a 6.52 inch mini drop full screen display, which is an HD display. And then we have dual cameras, 13 plus 2 megapixels, 5000 mAh battery and a 10 watt charger in the box. So I'll just quickly open this seal here, and on this side too. Opening the box. Oh, what's this? We have some in protection plans here guys. It says extended warranty, screen damage and accidental cover. For complete assistance and selecting best plan, please reach out to us on our website, so we'll do that later. Now on top we have this Micromax In Note here. We also have the plastic protective case guys. This is amazing. Then you have the user guide here. Then we have the case for the phone, the 10 watt charger and the USB Type-C cable. I'm happy to see USB Type-C on this phone. Ready? We have one more sticker on the back. And this is it guys. This is the black Micromax In Note. It feels good in the hand. I would say for an 8,000 rupee phone, this is a lot premium feeling than what it is for the price. So let's quickly get the physical overview of this phone, and this time I will also show you the setup process of this phone so you can judge how is the setup process of this smartphone. So let's get started. So I'm booting this phone here, and by the time it boots up, let's test this case. The case has a good fitting and it looks good, feels good in the hand as well. If you look at the back of the phone, this one has a matte finish to it and it creates a rainbow like pattern where the center of light is around the camera. I am just liking this design so much. It's doing a great job at hiding fingerprints. It's also got a texture like feeling when you hold it in your hand, and it's nice and grippy. This phone has a 13 megapixel primary camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with it. And for some reason the speaker given here is at the back of the phone, which is really like old school now. If we look at the bottom, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, noise cancelling microphone and a USB Type-C, which is great to see. On the left side we have a SIM tray, and it is a proper dual SIM and a dedicated micro SD card slot. On the top there is actually nothing to show. And on the right side we have a volume key and a power button. So unlike the In Note one, this does not have a Google Assistant button. Time to start the setup process. I will skip the SIM cards for now and connect it to a Wi-Fi and get back to you. Now we are connected and it says getting things ready. We won't copy any data right now, so I will just enter my email ID and password here so I can sign in. It's getting my account info now. Turn on backup and sync here is also on. And now it's asking me to set the lock screen pin and also the fingerprint sensor. So let's quickly set it up. It's fairly quick here. You can also set the Google Assistant here. And then it asks for the device activation, which just have to click next and boom, you are in your home screen straight away, which is awesome.
If you look at the software, it just comes with Google Apps, no malware, no adware and no bloatware, just clean stock Android, which is itself a selling point of the phone. Let's look at the Android version now. It runs on the latest Android 11 out of the box, which is great to see. The fingerprint reader here is reliable, but the animation is kind of laggy, so every time you unlock the phone, you will notice a split-second delay there, but it is definitely a reliable fingerprint reader. This phone has a Unisoc T610 chipset, which is a 12nm chip, and this is a 4GB RAM and 64GB storage phone. We will test its performance and a lot of things in the full review, so stay tuned for that and let me know if you have any questions.
So that's all for this video guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like the content, definitely like the video, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing to my channel as well. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you very soon.